Well, this shows you how crappy some people can be. Trevor's meth lab burned down yesterday. I was tipped off by a fellow Bombay Beach resident. This really sucks. This building was pretty iconic. It was in the video game GTA 5. It was a combination of Ace Liquors and the first floor and Trevor's meth lab on the second floor. The entire second floor is gone. Went up in flames yesterday, and this is the result. In the real world, more recent times, which is still a long time ago, there was a Premier Video Rental and then a Toro Loco, like a small Hispanic grocery store, but it's all gone now. So yeah, let's take a walk around. That was the sign that, well, the sign was damaged, I want to say about a year or so ago. That funky looking one in the middle used to say liquor. But yeah, look at this. That wasn't really a meth lab, at least I don't think. But yeah, obviously some asshole decided to torch it yesterday. Really sucks because when I first came here to the North Shore of the Salton Sea in 2008, the North Shore Motel was still standing. That got torn down sometime very late 2008. But yeah. At least what's left of the gas station, this was once a Chevron station, is still standing. But yeah, really shitty of people to do this shit. Because this is one of the more iconic buildings. These are just telephone wires here, so not going to get fried. Yeah, man. It was always cool going up to the second floor and you had this panoramic view. It was probably the owner's apartment upstairs. Panoramic view of the Salton Sea, but yeah, man. So like a lot of things around the Salton Sea, this will probably now get demolished, which really sucks. Because when people do this shit, that's why buildings get torn down, because some people decide to do crap like this. Just means less things to explore. But I'm gonna go around this corner here and give you a better view of what's left of the sign. I mean, the sign didn't really change with the fire. It's the wind that, the wind and people throwing rocks. Show it. But again, in GTA 5, they go around this corner. Unfortunately, none of the liquor part is gone, but I mean, the liquor part of the sign is gone, but still a little bit of grocery. And again, that middle part, that funky shaped one from like that 50s, 60s era said liquor, Ace Liquor. And what second story, completely gone, Trevor's meth lab. Hispanic grocery store. In fact, this latest 2011, I bought some carne asada here. On the side here, before it got repainted and then tagged over, it said Premier Video. This over here is an old, long since shut down Chevron gas station. But yeah, let's go over here. Yeah, like I said, recent is 2011, maybe a few years after. Still a payphone out here. This was all lit up. But yeah, this is Ace Liquor in GTA 5. That sign, the yellow sign, the white sign above said Ace. I mean, in the video game. Below was a yellow sign that said liquor. It lasted all these years until either vandals or a really bad windstorm took it out. But let's see if we can go inside. still open as far as I just hope I don't encounter Trevor. And there is the beautiful Salton Sea in the background. Hey, Trevor! Yo, Trevor, you in here? Let's see if my pal Trevor Phillips, you know, he might be busy cooking meth in here though. Well, I think the meth lab is upstairs. Yeah, it's kind of got cleaned up a bit. Used to be a bunch of display cases and store shelves. I'm going back for between the video game, alternate reality, and reality. Out there in the background is the Chocolate Mountains. I will say they're really nice to look at, but I'm taking off 1 star for the taste. They don't taste at all like chocolate. It tastes like fucking dirt. Let's continue around here. Yo, Trevor! See if Trevor's in here. I don't know. Looks like he hasn't been here in a while. Or you know what? I mean, if he's cooking meth, that's probably how he lives every day, though. Yo, Trevor! You in here? You'll see. You know what? I think he lives upstairs. And actually, that's where the kitchen is, too. Again, the Salton Sea over there. Let's go up the stairs here. Go say hi to Trevor. Trevor Phillips. Produces only the finest meth. Again, that's fiction. In the video game GTA 5. Such a nice view of the Salton Sea. And imagine this. It's your back porch. Panoramic view of the Salton Sea. Yo, Trevor! You in here? What's up? Well, doesn't look like he's been here in a while. Well, kitchen's probably torn up, so I don't know how he can cook any meth in here. Yo, Trevor! Hold on, what's that? Hey! Who was that? Oh, it was just the birds. Yeah, so far it seems okay. Well, no signs of Trevor. Guess I'll have to come back some other time. Anyways, thanks for watching.